But this fishing game because I love this fishing game. You twist this and get a fish. Whoever gets all of this will get a point. Bye, guys.
How can you play that?
You just twist this. You just twist this and you get a fish. And stop, twist it again and get the fish.
Oh, that's nice.
If you are finished, put it back like this.
That's
Make sure their mouth is closed.
De? Paano mag-close ilang mouth?
Like that. And then if you're done with the fishing rod, put it like this. Here, it has a hole for your fishing rod. There's gray and black. This. Done. Bye, guys. Come on, open your mouth. Yay! Yay! Hello. Oh, once again. Yeah. This.
Debe.
Let's have to twist this. And now. Dapat natin ako ma-open.
Okay. It's easy.
Now.
I almost done. Okay. Automatic anong iyong mouth.
Kung mag-open ang magic, wabo sa magnet. Okay naman. Yay!
It's done. Okay. Let me
What
see.
should I draw? Huh?
What is
Here.
What's that?
It's Ariel, the mermaid,
Oh,
with fish.
that's nice.
What else should I draw?
That's nice drawing, babe.
Huh?
Oh, very nice, Ariel.
I want to do another one. What should I draw? Maybe I'll draw. Let me see if I have a. Let's see if I can. Yeah. I'm studying. Ito nga, granutis. Hindi na pa ipag-iamo na, pero maguba naman na. Naligan ba na? Guba to. Ayaw, wala niyo.
Okay. Go, intro.
It's so sad to say bye-bye to our teachers in kinder. Bye-bye to our being babies of the school and many more.
I pretend every. I agree, Mika, because we really are not babies anymore. Our saying goodbye doesn't mean end or leaving our past behind. It's going to be a beginning of a new journey to freedom. Which means
Which means bringing the things we learned in kinder to our new teachers in grade 1, right?
okay, super correct. The way we become better and stronger to face new challenges.
So let's hold the three kinders to do a happy bye-bye dance now.
That's the purpose. Hurry up.
Wait, homework. So, eraser.
Habang homework, kali wala kang gigambal. Okay, number 1. 4, 5 minus 1. It's equals.
I know this. 5, 4.
Oh, answer it.
And
6 minus 2.
6. 4 again.
Answer it. Number
6. 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 3.
6 minus.
Yeah, look. This is 6, and then I got this, and this. So it needs 2 together. And then it's 3.
6 minus 3.
Yeah?
Okay. Next. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4.
8. 1, 2,
8 minus
1,
4.
8.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
4 minus 4. Oh, how much? How much left?
4.
Oh, answer it. Next.
8.
8 minus 5.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, how much left?
3.
Oh,
Just 3, 4, 9.
9 minus 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3.
Oh, 3 left.
Again.
Yeah. 10 minus 7.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh,
3.
yes.
Again.
Oh, 10 minus 8. How much?
10 minus 8. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2.
2 left. 10 minus 9.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1.
1 left.
1.
Oh, done?
Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm done.
You're done? Okay.
Wait, I hope.
Yeah.
At least I have to color. I want to color. Mix. Special color.
Oh, how's your plants in there?
It's fine. It's good. Fine.
What's that? Eggplant and
Ma,
eggplant and pechay.
let's try.
Water it na. Oh, go.
I guess this is enough.
It's enough?
Yeah. Surely this is enough. On the side and the side. That's it.
That's another side.
Other side. And okay.
Put it outside.
Wait lang, galimutan ko lang yun. Oh, very planty. Oh, save you.
Here, oh. Just put it there.
Mom, there's huh? There.
Oh, sige.